There's no cure for kidney failure, so every week thousands of people have to undergo grueling dialysis just to stay alive. While around 3,000 kidney transplants take place each year, more than 5,000 people are still waiting. 80% of people say they would be willing to donate their organs, yet only 36% register to become a donor. If you're willing to donate, it's important you sign the register and tell your family, as they will be involved in consent. In the UK, only around 60% of families agree. That's one of the lowest consent rates in Europe. But research shows that this rises to over 90% if families know their loved one wanted to donate. Every day, one person dies while waiting for a kidney transplant. We can stop this. Have the donation conversation.